Welcome to Miss Jessica's Scratch class. Today I'm going to show you what Scratch program looks like and how to install it. Let's go to scratch.mit.edu. This is a Scratch website. Scratch is a program created by folks at MIT. It's used to teach students how to create animations, games, and some crazy cool stuff to show their creativity. As you could see, there are all these projects that people posted online, and you can play them once you visit this site on your own. To download Scratch, just click the download Scratch button. Pick the installer based on what your operating system is. Mine is a Mac, so I'm gonna pick this one and just save your installer. Just double click the installer. On Mac, all I need to do is just drag this to install Scratch. Just drag this folder and into applications. On Windows, it should be pretty straightforward. Just double click the installer and follow the default selection to install. This is what a Scratch program looks like. Let's try to drag this sprite. Sprite is a individual character in the Scratch games or animations, and you can add control to it. You can add costumes. You can also add sounds, and this Scratch sprite already has a sound called meow, so click it. And it doesn't have any scripts yet. It has 2 costumes. Let's check the other example projects to see what people have done with Scratch. So click select no to save not to save the current project. And there's under example, there are many different kinds of examples. There are animation examples, games, greetings, and what are interesting, many others. What are pretty interesting is the games. There's Pac-Man. Click OK. There are 2 sprites, Pac-Man sprite and the Maze sprites. Select the Pac-Man sprites and check that it already has seed. Think of these as Lego blocks, and when you put together the control blocks, it controls what the sprite would do or behave. In the costumes, it has 2 costumes, one with his mouth open, one with his mouth closed. And it also has sounds. You can click it, and you can create new sounds. You can record new sounds, or you can import existing sounds. Let's test by playing the games, and you can click when you click the green flag, the game starts. To stop the game, you can click the stop everything icon. Game has stopped. And there's also a really cool animation I'd like to show you. Go to open, and again say no to save the current project. Go back to examples, and I like this animations project. It's called Daydream. This one's really cool. Click OK, and just click the green flag. Okay, I'm going to stop it. Isn't this really cool? So if you have some really nice cartoon idea, you can definitely create cool animation with Scratch and show to your friend. Another cool thing is that you can switch to presentation mode. This will show you the whole screens. To get out of the full screen mode, just click this exit presentation icons, and then you're back. So this concludes our introduction to Scratch.